In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a new product to your Sellfy store. Whether you're just getting started with your online business or expanding your existing catalog, understanding how to efficiently upload and manage products is crucial. I'll guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you can do it with ease and confidence. Let's begin at the heart of your store, logging into your Sellfy account. If you're not already familiar, this is where all the magic happens. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Sellfy dashboard. This is essentially your command center, where you can oversee all aspects of your store's operations. Next, navigate your way to the Products section. Over on the side menu, you'll see an option labeled Products. Click on it, and then select Add New Product. This is where you're going to start bringing your offerings to life. Now, it's time to decide what type of product you'll be adding. Sellfy gives you the flexibility to add a variety of products. You can choose a digital product if you're planning to sell downloadable files such as ebooks, instructional videos, or music tracks. Alternatively, if you have tangible items you're ready to ship out to customers, opt for a physical product. Or perhaps you're interested in venturing into print-on-demand merchandise, like custom t-shirts or mugs. Take a moment to decide which category best fits the product you're adding. For those focusing on digital products, you'll need to upload the files that customers will purchase. You can easily drag and drop your files into the designated area or browse your device to upload them. It's a simple yet integral part of ensuring your customers receive exactly what they're expecting. After you've added your files, it's time to enter the product details. This includes several critical pieces of information. Start with the product name, a concise yet descriptive title. Next, there's the product description. Here, you can delve into the specifics of your product and feel free to use the editor to format your text, whether you want to bold certain points, create bulleted lists, or include links to additional resources. Setting the right price is, of course, key, so make sure this reflects the value you're offering. Lastly, upload any preview images that will appear on your product page. This visual representation can significantly influence a customer's decision to buy. Once you're satisfied with all the details, click the Save Product button. It's the final step in the process and a rather satisfying one, as it locks in your work, making your product available for customers to view and purchase. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added a new product to your Sellfy store. It's all about understanding the process and taking the time to get each element just right. Once you've mastered this, you'll be in a great position to continue expanding your product range with confidence. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you succeed in your e-commerce journey.